In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your marketing campaigns using Mailchimp efficiently. Whether you're a small business looking to build your brand or an individual aiming to grow your personal network, understanding Mailchimp's tools can significantly enhance your reach. We'll walk through the process step by step, so let's get started. First, let's navigate to the Mailchimp website. Open your preferred web browser, type Mailchimp into the search bar, and hit enter. Once you've arrived at the home page, log in using your credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll want to follow Mailchimp's straightforward sign-up process, which typically involves providing your email address, a strong password, and some basic information about your business. Once logged in, look towards the top of the page and locate the Campaigns tab in the main navigation menu. Clicking here will transport you to the hub where all your marketing endeavors are organized. This section is essentially your command center, where you can see a comprehensive list of every campaign you've created thus far. Now, suppose you need to make adjustments to an existing campaign. Browse through your list to find the campaign you intend to edit. It's helpful to familiarize yourself with the names and purposes of your campaigns, as this will save you time during this process. Once you've spotted the correct campaign, click directly on it. This action takes you to a detailed overview of that campaign's activities. Here you can review metrics, see audience engagement, and get a sense of how effectively your message is being communicated. Next, you'll want to edit your campaign to better suit your ongoing marketing goals, or perhaps refine your approach based on performance feedback. Look for the Edit button, typically found alongside campaign details. Clicking on this will open up the campaign editor, allowing you to modify elements like the subject line, content, scheduling, and more. Take your time to ensure everything aligns with your brand's voice and targeted outcomes. Remember, a compelling subject line and clear, engaging content are crucial components of a successful campaign. You might even consider A/B testing different versions if Mailchimp offers you this feature within your current plan. Once you are satisfied with your edits, save your changes. It's always a good idea to double-check everything by sending a test email to yourself. This way, you can preview exactly what your audience will see and make additional tweaks if necessary. Finally, when you're confident that your campaign is polished and ready, exit the editor. You'll see your updated campaign listed among others. Feel free to repeat this process for any additional campaigns you may have, ensuring your message is always current and relevant. And there you have it, the simple yet powerful steps to effectively managing your Mailchimp campaigns. With these skills, you are well on your way to mastering digital marketing and reaching your audience more effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks in the digital marketing world.